So good afternoon. So in this lecture video, we are going to discuss about some basic concepts of the plant growth. So the plant growth is the complex process that involves the various psychological as well as the biochemical activities. So let us discuss some of the basic concepts of plant growth. So the first process is photosynthesis. It is the essential process. So the plant converts the light energy usually from the sun into the chemical energy in the form of glucose. So this process occurs in the chloroplast within the plant cell. So it occurs in the chloroplast, mainly in the chlorophyll. It is the green pigment that absorbs the light, sunlight. So in this process, the equations is the 6 carbon dioxide CO2 plus 6 water molecules, that is 6H2O. By use of the light energy, it gives the C6H12O6, that means the glucose, and the 6O2. Here the oxygen is the byproduct. So the second main process of the basic concept of plant growth, it is the respiration system. So this process is nothing but it is the breakdown of the glucose to release the energy for the cellular activities. So this occurs in the mitochondria in the plant system. The equation of the respiration system is the C6H12O6, that means glucose plus 6O2 oxygen molecules. It gives the 6CO2 plus 6H2O and the energy. Then another one process is the transpiration process. The transpiration process, the evaporation of the water molecules from the plants, mainly through a stroma in the leaves. This helps in the uptake of the nutrients and the cooling of the plant. The fourth main process is the nutrient uptake. It is very essential for the plant growth and development. The nutrient is classified into two types. One is macronutrient, another one is micronutrients. The macronutrients it is essential nutrients required in the larger quantity. The examples of macronutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus and the potassium. The micronutrients, essential nutrients, is required in the smaller quantities. For example, irons, manganese and zinc are the examples of micronutrients. Then the plant growth is categorized by the 3 different stages. The initial stage is called as germination. The germination process, in the process by which a seed develops a new plant, into a new plant. So it requires the water, oxygen and the suitable environment, suitable temperature to develop into the new plants. The second stage of plant growth stage is vegetative growth, the phase where the plant that focuses on the growing the leaves, growing the stems and the root formation. So in this stage, the plant requires the high nutrient and the water demand. The final stage of plant growth is reproductive growth, the phase where the plant develops the flowers, fruits and seeds. That seeds is used for the regeneration purpose. So the plant itself will produces the seeds for generate their generation. So in the next one is the plant hormones. So some of the hormones is used for it is essential for the plant growth. The first one is the auxins. Auxins, it promotes the cell elongation, root formation, and the auxins are involved in the regulations of the growth of the plant. And the ethylene is involved in the fruit refining and the response to the stress. Then the hormones is called ABA, that is abscisic acid. It regulates the stress responses and also it promotes the seed dormancy. Then for the plant growth, the suitable environmental is needed. So what are the environmental factors that are very much needed for the plant growth? We will discuss one by one. The first one is very essential factor is the light. It is essential for photosynthesis. Light influences the plant development and the flowering. Then temperature, that affects the enzymatic activities and the overall metabolism. Water is vital for the nutrient transport and also it is very much essential for photosynthesis and maintaining the cell rigidity. Then soil quality, that influences the nutrient availability and the root growth. So these are the basic and main concept of the plant growth. So thank you for watching.